Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen TV. In today's video we are going to unbox and set up the all-new S4 Pro SuperBox. Here we have the S4 Pro SuperBox, different than the previous model S2 and S3. Let's start by opening this up. I'm just going to remove the plastic surrounding it. Now, you can see here what this box has. Similar to the S3, it has the dual band Wi-Fi 2T 2R. This model has a 2 gig RAM and a 32 gig memory. You can use a memory card as there is a slot so you can expand your storage. It supports up to 6K. It's the standard OTA box. And it supports high efficiency video coding, also known as H.265. This box would be fantastic with a Kodi build. I will be doing a video later on this, so make sure you go and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will be the first person to be notified when my video uploads. Now, let's have a look inside. Here we have the actual S4 SuperBox. Let's see. And underneath, that's what we're going to have a look at first. You can see that we have, let's have a look, take it out of the wrapping. And you can see it's a standard American plug. Now we're based in Europe, so we will be plugging it into an adapter that has a 3-plug prong. And then what else is in here? We have a HDMI cable included. And we have a remote control with a mic. We can speak commands. We'll set this up later on in this episode. And there is also a paper manual included. Now, let's take the S4 Pro SuperBox out from the wrapping so we can have a better look at it. Now, we can see it clearly. You can clearly see that it says S4 Pro. Looking at it a bit closer, we can see that this side has some ventilation fans, and then at the back it has 2 antennas. You have the optical, the LAN port, where you can plug in your internet directly with a cable, the HDMI for connection to your display, and here are the AV and IR ports, and then the last thing on the port at the back is for your power. Good. Now let's look at the side. First option here is that small restore button. Then you have a USB slot. Then there's the USB 3.0 slot. The last slot on this side is for a micro SD card reader slot. You can see there's no big difference from the previous model to this model looking at it from this angle. Now, we're going to plug it in and set it up, and let's see how it goes. It is just starting up now. Great animation. As you can see, we've already put in the internet connection. We're just setting it up quickly. As you can see here, the interface has changed a lot from the S3. Looks very nice and clean. Here you can see all the options for the S4 Pro SuperBox. We're just going to load up live TV and see that. As you can see, there's lots of different options loaded quite quickly for us there. Then we have the video on demand option. There are lots of areas like recommended, newest movies, TV series. And there's also a search option. You can type in what you're looking for and select the genre. Playback is the next option we're just going to glance at. This option allows you to watch something from the live TV which you may have missed at the time it was broadcasting. Here you can select the channel, and then you select the program that you missed, and then you can just play it from there. You also have the browser feature, which loads up the internet quite quickly, and you can toggle on the mouse from your remote control. Then we have the App Store, where you can download the different apps from, and the Play Store is here. And then if we select apps, you can see all the apps that we've downloaded so far. On the bottom row, you can add a shortcut to the apps you most frequently use. Just click on Add and then select the app you want to use. Then in the bottom left hand corner you have options like Settings, where if you scroll down to Device Preferences and then select About, you'll be able to see details about this particular system. And if you are having any issues with the box like slowing or lagging, just click on the rocket and that should clear up the system for you. Also, you can test the speed of your internet connection by just clicking on the dial icon. You can manage your apps by selecting the bin icon and uninstalling any you do not want. There is a cool feature here which you can use voice control, which you can access on your remote. Of course, we do have to set that up. It is just a matter of pressing the back button and OK together for 8 seconds or until the light on the remote flashes, and then just press OK. Lastly, you can assign fast speed shortcuts to your remote control. That is numbers 1 to 9. With that, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed my review on S4 Pro SuperBox and you will enjoy it as much as I am. If you want to get one, I have a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos from Owen Tips TV coming very soon. You can also visit me on my Rumble website to see more of my content. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.